Hello, this is Marlene with WTI. Now, are you looking for a plant-based sweetener? Well, then I would recommend this blue agave nectar from Blue Green. Now, I love everything about this agave. It is light and a little bit goes a long way. So the sweetness of this nectar is not overwhelming. So I do love that. So if you want to use it on top of your pancake, to sweeten your tea, your coffee, put it on top of your oatmeal. In my case, I love spreading some of this agave on top of my yogurt, and I absolutely love it. So again, if you want to get away from using regular sugar and you want to substitute that with a plant-based sweetener, I would definitely recommend this agave from Blue Green. But hey, that is just my point of view.